If I asked you to imagine a gaming laptop, flashy designs, colorful lights, and beefy chassis probably come to mind. Lenovo wants to move away from that motif, though, and appeal to more users, and is doing so by redesigning its Legion series of gaming systems. For E3 this year, the company is introducing the new Y530, Y730, and Y7000 laptops, which feature a subtler aesthetic, among other changes. Gamers come in all shapes and sizes, and they're not all into loud colors or eye-catching logos. Some of us prefer subtlety and classier designs. That's exactly what you'll get with the new laptops, starting with the Y530, which will be a Best Buy exclusive when it's available in June for $929. It's noticeably smaller than its predecessor, the Y520, and no longer has the red accents from before. Instead, you'll find an all-black lid with a Legion logo, which some might find more attractive, while others might call it boring. Lenovo's also moved most of the ports to the back of the laptop, except for one USB-A on each side. The Y530 also features a refined dual-fan cooling system that uses larger blades than before and should vibrate less, therefore be less noisy. Up next is the Y7000, which is basically the same device as the Y530, except, not exclusive to Best Buy. It also costs $20 more than the Y530 and has a more premium aluminum top cover. There's also a light-up Y logo on its lid, so it's not as subtle as its brother, but offers a nice variation for those who want a different option. Both the Y530 and Y7000 come with NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphics cards and Intel Core i5 CPUs to start with, and you can configure them with the RAM and storage options you'd like as per usual. Then there's the Y730, which is the most premium of the series. It'll be available in two sizes, 15 inches and 17 inches, and come with customizable RGB keyboards using Corsair's iCUE software to kind of do that lighting effect. Both systems will have improved displays over their predecessors. You'll find a richer color gamut with higher nits for brighter screens, although neither of them supports HDR just yet. They'll also be available in Full HD resolutions. And you know what? From my time with it, I really like the look of these screens. They're matte, they're non-touch, they're great for playing games in almost any lighting scenario. They'll also start with slightly better NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti graphics cards, and offer up to overclockable Core i5, i7, and i7K processors, as well as Corsair's overclockable memory. So this is really the more beefy, higher-end laptop for those people who want a Legion gaming laptop with a subtle design still. These screens also now have refresh rates of 144 Hz, so you'll get smoother gameplay. While I like the approach that Lenovo is taking towards gaming laptops, making them blend in more with your regular PCs, I still found the colorful RGB keyboard on the Y730 super attractive. And overall, the system was very easy to hold in both hands. It's not the most lightweight laptop, but for a gaming system, this was plenty portable. None of these are compliant with NVIDIA's Max-Q just yet, but the Y730 is intended to eventually adopt that. No word yet officially on when the Max-Q option will be available, although Lenovo estimates it will be around fall. For now though, you can buy the Y530, Y730, and Y7000 systems later this year at around $950 give or take. So these PCs will be ready for your summer gaming binges. For all the news out of E3 2018, stay tuned to Engadget.com.